Everybody, I hope everything is going fine with you. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to cover a new listening grammar which is the past continuous. With the uses of the past continuous, when do we use it and what do we use it for? So to understand any tense in English, we need to know three things about it. The first one is the form, how do we form it? The second thing is the uses, and last but not least, the adverbials of time or time indications or expressions that are associated with this tense. So the first use of the past continuous is to talk about two actions in the past. One continues for a period of time and the other starts and ends in the past. So here we have two actions. The first action or just an action, okay, that is in progress, that is continuing, and the other one starts and ends in the past. So here, the first one is like, let's take this example to better understand what do we mean by these two actions. So here, while I was talking on the phone, someone stole my car. So the first one that starts with while and ends in the phone is continuous or in progress. That's why we call it past continuous or past progressive. Okay, so that is continuous. And the second action, someone stole my car. You can see that stole is in the past simple, starts and ends in the past. So here we have two actions. The first one was continuing or was in progress, and the second one that is in simple past interrupts the first one. It starts and ends. Let's take another example. I was making my breakfast when my sister knocked at the door. So here, I was making my breakfast. So here, the sentence is in the past continuous. We'll later see how we form the past continuous. I was making my breakfast. So this sentence here was continuous or was in progress when the second action or another action in simple past starts and ends, and the action or the verb of the action is knocked. You can see that the verb is a regular verb. That's why we added ed at the end. So here, not too many or just a remark, these sentences usually use when and why. So here, when is an indication of a short action. Short action, we mean the simple past, and the while is used to indicate the long action. And when we talk about the long action, we are talking about the past continuous. So it's easy to identify which action is short and which action is long. Short action, simple past; long action, past continuous. So another use of the past continuous is to talk about two actions in the past, both happening over a period. So here we are talking about two parallel actions happening at the same time and maybe happening in different places. I was working in my computer and my children were watching television. So here we have two parallel actions, okay? عندي deux actions اللي هما واقعين en parallèle ممكن يكونوا at the same time وممكن يكونوا at the same place. For example, while I was explaining the lesson, my mother was cooking dinner. So here two actions happening in the past over the same period. On to the form of the past continuous, and as you may know, we have three forms in English: the affirmative, negative, and the interrogative or questions. So here, when it comes to the affirmative form, was and were, verb to be in the past continuous, plus verb plus ing. So here, was is for singular nouns, singular pronouns, and were is for plural pronouns. So here, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, you were, they were. So here, when it comes to singular pronouns, as you may know, we put was plus verb plus ing. And when it comes to plural pronouns, we put were plus verb plus ing. I was playing soccer with my friends. We were studying for the exam. So here, when it comes to negative statements, it's easy. We can just add not at the end of verb to be in the past simple. I wasn't playing soccer with my friends, or we were not playing soccer with my friends. And as you may know, we have the short form and the full form. When it comes to questions, we just uh, do the inversion. We just change the places. We start first with verb to be in the simple past, then the subject's pronoun, and then the verb plus ing. Of course, we don't forget the question mark at the end because it's so important. So in order to better understand the past continuous, let's see some examples here. And as you may know, this is a cartoon series that we watched when we were kids, and there are of course some kids that still watch it. Tintin was hiking when he saw the Yeti. So here we have two actions. There's the long action and the short action. Of course, the first one is the long action, and the second one is the short action. The first action or the action, the long action is in the past continuous, whereas the short action is in a simple past. And you can see there that the verb is in the past continuous in red, was verb to be in the past continuous plus verb plus ing, and you can see the verb see in blue is conjugated in the simple past. It is an irregular verb. Context, of course, the same cartoon. Tintin and Haddock were riding camels when they heard gunshots. So here, the first action was continuing or was in progress when another action came and interrupted the first one. The first action, which is Tintin and Haddock were riding camels, was in progress, whereas the second action that starts and ends in the past is in the simple past. We can see here is an irregular verb. It became heard, and of course it says heard in the past participle. For more practice, I may do this exercise. Just choose the right verb from A and B. We can say it's is it the simple past or the past participle or the past continuous. So try to read the sentence and understand the context. Are we using the simple past? Is it a long action? Is it a short action? Okay, so let me know if you got any more questions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for your attention and hope to see you soon in another video with another